Everyone's looking for a simple face mask design that combines the important safety features and is easy to make. That's why Richland County Health Department is recommending the orange mask. It is not a substitute for the N95 respirator, but the orange mask does provide effective filtration and a snug custom fit, using readily available materials and all in 5 easy steps. Instructions can be printed from the link below. Step 1. Gather materials. You'll need 2 different colors of pre-washed cotton fabric to distinguish the inside of the mask from the outside. Each piece should measure 7 inches by 8.5 inches. Cut the same size rectangle of medium weight non-woven interfacing fabric available from your local craft store or Walmart. 1 6-inch strip of 16 to 20 gauge wire, preferably insulated like this pet containment fence wire. 2 5-inch pieces of bias tape or sturdy ribbon 1.5 inches wide. 2 push button lock cords. These are optional but much easier than tying. And 2 30-inch pieces of narrow cord or other material for ties. Add 6 inches if you're not using the cord locks. Now here's the equipment you'll need. Needle nose pliers, fabric clips or pins, scissors, measuring tape, a marking pen, small safety pin, rotary cutter and mat if you have them, an iron, and sewing machine with matching thread. Step 2. We'll begin by assembling the fabric mask. Stack your 2 cotton fabric pieces with right sides together. Lay the interfacing on top and clip or pin together. Stitch a 1/4 inch seam along both 7-inch edges, which will be the top and the bottom of your mask. Now turn it right side out and press the seamed edges flat. Step 3. Next, you'll need your pliers and wire. Curl each end in toward itself to make a loop, and just press it flat to avoid any sharp ends. Now we're going to stitch around 3 edges of the mask. Begin at the bottom and top stitch about 3/8 of an inch from the edge along one side. When you're near the end, pivot the fabric, leaving your needle down through it. Then stitch along the top edge, pivot at the next corner, and continue to the bottom. Now insert the wire into the channel you made at the top of your mask with the loops facing down. Step 4. This one is about folding 3 horizontal pleats into your mask. Precision isn't critical here, but if you're not comfortable winging it, just line the side edge of your mask up against the printed instruction sheet like this. Transfer the markings to your mask on each side edge. Now make 3 accordion folds so that the matching shapes touch. Clip or pin each fold and finger press the pleats so they all lay flat. The mask should now have a total height of 4 inches. Secure your pleats in place by running a 1/4 inch top stitch along each side, and this time we'll reinforce the bottom of the mask as well. Step 5. The ties. Take your seam binding or ribbon and fold each end under about 1/2 inch. Stitching these ends down will keep it from fraying. You can save time by stitching several pieces next to each other in a chain and just clipping them apart. Now fold one of those pieces over one end of the mask. This should be securely fastened, so we'll backstitch to reinforce the ends. Repeat on the other side of the mask and we're all done sewing. Use the safety pin to feed one of your ties through each end of the mask. Now for our most popular feature, the cord locks. Feed both top ties of the mask through the center hole and then tie each end in a knot. Do the same with the bottom ties. If you're using cord, you can singe the ends to keep them from fraying. Now your mask is ready to wear. Remember, a homemade mask will protect others better than yourself, so continue to practice safe hygiene. During and after wearing, treat the mask like it's contaminated. Avoid touching the front and wash and dry with heat as soon as possible.